Summaries में क्या होता है? Summaries, okay, will have the most important keyword. For example, I'm reading. So it's like a sentence I'm reading from a book. It says, the extraction and the preparation of minerals for industrial uses involves a number of distinct processes. I repeat, the extraction and preparation of minerals for industrial uses involves a number of different processes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 words. I summarize this as extraction and preparation of minerals. There are processes. मुझे समझ में आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? That's all. This is not a part of answer, is it? This is only for my personal consumption. मेरे लिए है ये कि मैं 10 दिन के बाद ही पढ़ूंगा. Oh, in extraction and preparation of minerals, there are many processes involved. ये तो कहना चाह रहे हैं. So a 15-word sentence reduced to 4 or 5 words. Okay, or if I get smarter in time, processes, control, extraction, preparation. I can say this: extraction plus preparation, both controlled by processes. Yes? This is your creativity, you know. The more smarter you are in reading and and ye dhire dhire aayega. I want your notes to be read in such a way, the most important idea and the most important word bas rahega yahan par. That's all. Part of any industrial process. I can make schematics out of this. And the smarter you can do, ab ek cheez batao, these kind of summarizations, can you do without thinking? You cannot, no? And if you're thinking and doing this, can you forget this? You will not forget this. और यही चीज आप आंसर में यूज कर सकते हो also to save words. ये तो बेटा आपको एक्सपेरिमेंट करना होगा. And this is your actual study. Study is not coming to class and doing notes alone. No. So, a very good question. See, he's asking me, does he have to make some other notes also beyond this? Now see, in the college what we did was, generally, we used to make notes. हम notes कैसे बनाते थे? Book 1, book 2, book 3, book 4, and maybe some seniors notebook also. ये सब मिला के we make a notes, and 100% guaranteed. Exam के पहले आप ये भी नहीं देखोगे. Okay, because this is a bulky note. ये कब काम आता है पता है? Your junior will use it to make another note. This type of note making is waste of time. Your note making will happen only once in the class. That's all. इसके बाद you will do 3 other work. One is summarization. Number 2 is a recall. Okay, सब याद हो गया, recall करके लिखोगे आप. Third is answer writing. You will not make notes again. Notes एक बार class में बनेगा. That's all. That's why in the class you have to be very, very attentive. The measure of attention is मुझे समझ में आए नहीं आए सारा सर ने जो बनाया जो बताया it should be in my notes. एक word छूट गया छोड़ दो आगे लिख लो. क्लास खत्म होने के बाद में what was that word? Ask your friend and add that word. Is it okay? You will not make any other notes, but you have to write answers, make summaries, recall and jot down again, and maybe updation if required. So मैंने पढ़ा इस साल, maybe by next year some new data has come up. So जाकर summary sheet में वहीं add कर लेना है data. Don't make a new notes again. That's a waste of time. And notes making and summarization, if you have not done with the class space, you cannot do it again. That's my guarantee. Got it? That is a measure of sincerity.